Hello guys, this is Wael Bashuri, the physics teacher. In this video I'm gonna solve question number 20 from physics paper version 13 October-November 2023. So let's write it here. The code is 9702, version 13 October-November 2023. So let's directly start. When sound travels through air, the air particles vibrate. A graph of displacement against time for a single air particle is shown. Which graph shows how the kinetic energy of the air particle varies with time? So first of all, this is displacement time graph, and the slope of the graph will be equal to speed. So let's write it here. The slope equal to velocity or speed. Slope of this graph will equal to velocity, and we know that kinetic energy is equal to half mv squared, which means when velocity equals 0, this means kinetic energy will also be 0, and vice versa. So let's see the slope of our graph. Initially the slope is the tangent is horizontal, so the slope will be 0. So velocity equals 0 when time equal 0. So here also velocity equals 0. If you draw tangent here, also velocity equals 0 because the slope equals 0. So here also and here as well. So if you look at the options, you can see that A and C, kinetic energy is maximum at time equals 0 here, kinetic energy maximum here, kinetic energy maximum at time equal 0, which means A and C are eliminated. Now let's check B and D. Now here you have the period, so that's the total period of the situation or of the cycle. After half period, so this is t over 2, after half the period we know that also velocity becomes 0. So here after half the period t over 2, we know that kinetic energy is maximum. This means velocity is maximum. So option B is also eliminated. And here in option D, after half the period velocity is 0, v equals 0, and after a complete period kinetic energy has become also 0 because velocity equals 0. Option D is the correct answer.